The Hairbow Center presents How to Line a Metal Headband. Supplies used in this video demonstration can be found at www.hairbowcenter.com. I will be showing you how to line a metal headband with ribbon using a double-sided tape, and then after we have it lined, we'll go ahead and add a pretty little hair flower to it to top it off. We will start by adding the double-sided tape directly to the metal headband. We will be putting a small piece on the inside on each of the ends so that we can wrap the ends of the ribbon around to finish off the ends. And then we will just go ahead and carefully line up the tape and go around the outside of the headband. The tape is very sticky. However, it does have enough give in it that if it's not on perfectly straight, you can pull it back just a little bit and readjust it and keep going. Okay, we're at the other end, and I will go ahead and clip it with a little bit extra so that we can then wrap that around the end as well to finish that off. Go ahead and start to peel off the paper backing, and you'll notice that I'm not peeling the entire piece off. I'm only going a little ways. As I mentioned before, this is a very sticky tape, and so we will leave most of the paper backing on so that things don't stick to it as we're working here. I've heat sealed the end of my ribbon, and we'll go ahead and apply a 1/4 inch wide ribbon directly on top of the tape. Okay, I'll go ahead and trim the end of the ribbon, and we'll go ahead and heat seal that piece as well to keep those ends from fraying, and we will tuck that onto the end. And now we are ready to add another layer of tape. I don't like the overlap to be obvious when we put the next layer of ribbon on top of this, so I'm going to go ahead and start the tape almost at the very bottom of the headband, and that way it will not be as apparent when we go ahead and add the ribbon later. Let's just go ahead and wrap that tape around the inside of the headband all the way to the other side. All right, trim off that tape and smooth it down a little just to make sure it's got a good bond, and we'll then go ahead and put on our last layer of ribbon. I will heat seal the end of the ribbon, and we will begin at the very end. We'll line that up and then go ahead and press that ribbon all along the inside of the headband to finish off the inside. I'll go ahead and trim the end of the ribbon, and then we'll go ahead and heat seal that end as well and press it down tight. Okay, we are finished wrapping the headband with the ribbon, and now I'll just go along it and just give it a good squeeze and make sure everything's on tight. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to line a headband with ribbon. Let's go ahead and top off this headband with a hair flower. I'll be using some of our adhesive double-sided dots that actually have the same glue as the double-sided tape that we just used on the headband. And we'll just simply smooth that on the back of the felt circle that comes attached to the hair flower, and then peel off the paper backing. And go ahead and press it onto the headband in the location that you would like the flower to be in. We generally prefer to put them slightly off center. And then I'll simply take the felt circle and press it down on top of that glue disc. I'll give that a good pinch just to make sure that everything is bonded together well. As you can see, there's not much give on this flower as I'm tugging on it here. And there you have a beautiful floral decorated ribbon lined headband.